Whisper English ASMR. You are here and ready to let go of your day, to let your mind float away, and to learn English in your dreams. Let's begin with a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Let your chest and your shoulders soften and melt into your mattress. Let your breath be easy, like wind blowing through the leaves. Feel the bed beneath your body. Your pillow is supporting you. Your body is relaxing deeper and deeper. Now just listen and imagine. You don't need to worry about remembering. Just open your mind and receive English as you drift off to sleep. Tonight, we will go through the seasons. We will talk about how the weather feels, and you will learn how to speak about it in calm and simple English. So just close your eyes if they are not closed already, and picture a quiet morning. You are in a small village. A tiny garden surrounds your house. The air is still. It is early spring. The ground is soft and wet beneath your feet. There is fog in the air. As you step outside, you breathe in. The fog wraps around you like a cloud. Everything is quiet. In English, we say, it is foggy. Now, you can say it with me or just think it in your mind. It is foggy. The fog covers the trees. The fog makes the world look soft and gentle. Now the fog lifts and the sky becomes light. The sun is behind the clouds, and the air feels cool against your skin. Now let's say some weather phrases together, or you can think them in your mind. It is chilly. The sky is gray. There is a breeze. It feels fresh. And now the clouds part and the sun shines through. It warms your face and you smile. It is a sunny day. Now let's say it together or think it in your mind. It is sunny. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. The day is clear. Your footsteps are soft on the warm earth. The grass is green. You hear bees, birds, and the wind blowing in the trees. Nature is awake, and you smile because spring is here. The days pass, and the sun grows stronger. It is now summer. The mornings are warmer and the evenings are soft and long. You walk down a quiet path. The trees give you the shade that you need, and the air is still and full of summer scents. Lavender, jasmine, the smell of the warm earth after a long hot day. Because because today is a hot day. You drink some cold water. You feel the sun on your arms. You wear a hat to stay cool. Let's say some summer phrases together, or you can think them in your mind. It is hot today. The sun is strong. The sky is clear. There is no wind. Now the air begins to change. It feels heavy. It is humid. Small clouds appear in the sky. You hear a soft sound in the distance. It is thunder. A storm is coming. You go inside and you watch from the window. The sky turns dark. It is stormy. The raindrops fall slowly at first, and then faster and faster. You see lightning flash. Thunder rolls, but you are safe inside, and you listen to the rain. You feel calm and relaxed. Now, let's listen together. It is stormy. There is thunder. I see lightning. The wind is strong. The rain is heavy. And then the storm passes. The rain becomes softer, like a gentle whisper. The sky opens again and a beautiful rainbow appears. You breathe in and smile. You feel peace. It is fresh outside and the air smells clean. The ground is wet and the light has returned. Now say it with me. The storm is over. The sun is bright again. The rainbow is beautiful. It feels peaceful. Now the days begin to shorten. The air becomes cooler and the trees begin to change. Their leaves turn orange, yellow, and red. It is autumn. You walk through a quiet park. Leaves fall gently around you. They make a soft crunch beneath your shoes. The sun is low in the sky and the wind is light against your face. It is breezy. The air feels crisp. Let's say it together, or you can think it in your mind. It is autumn. Some people call it fall. The leaves are falling. The wind is cool. The sky is clear. It is breezy. Later, a thick fog returns, and your eyes cannot see far. The trees look soft and far away now, because it is foggy again. You breathe in. The air is still and quiet. Let's listen to some fog phrases. It is foggy. I can't see far. The world looks soft. The trees are hiding. The fog lifts and you feel the first chill of winter. You wear a thick coat and boots. Your hands are warm inside gloves. Your breath is white in the cold air. Snow begins to fall. At first, just a few flakes coming down from the sky. Then more, soft and quiet. Soon the world turns white. It is snowing. Let's say it together, or in your mind. It is snowing. The snow is falling. It is cold. The world is white. Later, the snow stops and the sky is clear again. The stars shine above you. It is nighttime. You look up and smile. Now the air grows even colder. One morning, you hear a soft tapping on the window. You look outside. It is hail. Small ice stones fall from the sky. You say to yourself, it is hailing. The ice hits the roof. Tap, tap, tap. The ground is white with hail. You stay warm inside. You decide to drink something hot. You feel safe. Outside, the weather changes, but you are calm. Now, imagine you are walking early in the morning. The world is quiet. There is a soft mist all around you. It moves gently with the breeze. Mist is light, like a whisper on the skin. The trees are blurred. The air is damp, but you enjoy it. You say to yourself, it is misty. The air feels soft. I walk slowly through the mist. Now, the days grow brighter. You feel sunshine again. Not hot, not cold, but just right. Let's say it together. It is sunny. There is sunshine. I feel the sun on my face. Now you sit down on a bench. You look at the sky. It is blue, and soft clouds float by. There is a gentle breeze. You breathe slowly, and you feel peaceful. You can say it with me or think it in your mind. The breeze is gentle. The sky is blue. I feel calm. Let's repeat some weather vocabulary together. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, stormy, snowy, foggy, misty, windy, humid, dry, warm, cold, overcast, clear, thunder, lightning, rainbow, frost, hail, sleet, breeze, sunshine, drizzle, chill. Now let's say some full phrases, softly and gently. It is a sunny day. It is raining softly. The wind is strong today. The snow is falling slowly. It is foggy this morning. The sky is clear tonight. There is a rainbow after the rain. The ground is covered in frost. You are doing well. Your mind every day to say what the weather is like. It's not in the future and it is not in the past. It is just now, right now. The sky is grey. The air is warm. The trees are wet. The ground is icy. The sun is rising. The clouds are heavy. The wind is blowing. You feel calm and cozy. The world changes, but your mind is steady, like the soft rhythm of rain. And now it is time for you to rest. You have traveled through the seasons, through rain and sun, through mist and snow. You have listened and learned without effort. You can listen to this again as many times as you need. Tonight you've learned the present simple. We say, it is cloudy, it is raining, it is cold, the sky is clear, the sun is bright, it is simple, true, and peaceful. You have learned so many words like rain, sun, snow, breeze, cloud, frost, thunder, rainbow. You can feel them in your breath. You can see them in your mind, in your thoughts as you drift off to sleep. And now it is time for you to rest. Just rest. Let your body relax completely. Let your breath be soft. Let your eyes be heavy. You are safe. You are learning. You are calm. Remember that you can listen to this as many times as you need. So if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to Whisper English ASMR. For now, good night and sweet dreams.